Our today's topic is construction of continuous frequency table, and this topic belongs to statistics. Do you have some doubts and confusions in this topic? If yes, then watch this video to clear your doubts. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalam O Alikum. I'm Engineer Hira Naz and you are watching Diamond Tutoring Academy. Welcome here. Let's move to the topic. So, today we are going to learn construction of frequency table for continuous frequencies. And we know frequency distribution is method to summarize the data. Understand? Let's start with an example which says the following are the marks obtained by 40 students in mathematics. Make a frequency distribution with class interval of the size 10. Here we are given some scattered data and we are asked to construct frequency table. As the data is continuous, so first we have to find out range, and range is basically the difference between maximum and the minimum value. Range. We have to find range, and formula for range is maximum value or a number minus minimum value. Here in given data, here 60 is the maximum value and 2 is the minimum value. So we can find out the range by subtracting both 60 minus 2. So here we have 58 as our range. Understand? Now our next step is to decide the number of groups, which is denoted by K. Means we have to decide how many groups or classes we want to make. Understand? And the third step is to determine the size of a class, which is usually denoted by H. And we also have formula to determine the H, which is size of a class. And the formula is range by K. Look at our example. Here size is given, which is H. So we don't need to find out H. But we have to find out number of groups, that how many groups we want to make. So to find K, we can rearrange this data. We will send this K here and H here. Understand? We just swap their places, and then for range we have 58 in our case or in our example, and for H we have size is given, that is 10. So we will have 5.8. One more thing is important here, that the rule of approximation is valid here. Means we can round them off to approximate digits. Means we can call them as 6. Understand? So we can make 6 groups or round about 6, 7 or 8. Understand? Let's construct the frequency table. First we name the columns. For continuous frequency distribution, our first column is always for groups or classes. And the second one is always for observations. And the third one is for tally marks. And the fourth one for frequency. Understand? This column is optional. For precise measurement, we may ignore this, but here we are just learning. Understand? So here we have to consider this as well. Look at this table. Here first column is named as groups or classes. It means first we have to make groups and write them in ascending order. So now make the groups of a given values, usually starting from minimum to maximum observation, keeping in view the size of class or a group. Understand? Size of class is 10. It means one class can have maximum 10 values. Understand? Our given class size is 10, which means one group can have only 10 values. And our minimum value is 2, which is near to 0. 2, which is near to 0. So we can make first group from 0 to 9. Which becomes 10 including 0. So, first group is 0 to 9. Next we can make from 10 to 19. Next from 20 to 29 and 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59 and 60, and here our maximum value is 60. Now at the end we are left with only one number, understand, and that is 60. So we can extend this up to 69. Because I have already told you that approximation is valid for frequency table. So we can make approximation, understand? Now our first column is ready, our groups or our classes are ready. Now what we have to do? Our next step is to record the observations against each group. See, our first group or a class includes values from 0 to 9. Now check the values from 0 to 9 in our given data. Understand? And here only 7 and 2 are between 0 to 9. Understand? So we have to write them here 2 and 7. And we have to cross them from here. Only 2 and 7 lies in this range. So write them both in second column. And second group includes values from 10 to 19. Values from 10 to 19 in our given data are 10. Again 10, 13, because we have to write in ascending order, understand? Then 14, 15, 17, 18, again 18, 19 and 19. Understand? So the values from 20 to 29 are 21, 22, 22 again, 25, 26. Now the values from 30 to 39 are 30, again 30, again 30, 32, 34, again 34, 35, 38 and 39. Values from 40 to 49 includes 40, again 40, 41, 43, 47 and 49. Values from 50 to 59 from our given data are 51, 51 again, 52, 53, 54, 55 and 59. Understand? So our seventh group includes 60 to 69 values, and the value 60 to 69 in our given data includes only 60. Understand? Because we have extended the next 9 digits. So it have only the value 60. So only one value lies in last group. Now record the observations by tally mark. How many numbers are there? 1, 2. So we can denote this counting by tally bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 and 10. Understand? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here is only one value. Now the last step is to count the tally bars and record them in frequency column for each class. Understand? 1, 2, so 2, 5 and 5, this is 10. This is here 5, 9, 6, 7 and 1. Understand? We can make here column for total. And sum of 2, 10, 5, 9, 6, 7 and 1 is 40. So we can here add 40 in this column. Understand? Tally mark column is usually used in spite of observation column. Understand? To construct the frequency distribution for continuous case. Now we are done with construction of continuous frequency table. If you have any doubts or queries, you can ask in the comment section. Understand? That's all for today. See you soon in the next video. Stay safe and healthy. Allah Hafiz.